In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Adobe Reader for Windows 7. The process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can successfully get it installed on your machine. Adobe Reader is an essential tool if you regularly handle PDF files, as it offers a reliable way to view, print, and annotate these documents. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser you have installed on your Windows 7 computer. Once you've got your browser open, navigate to the search bar, which is usually located at the top of the window. Type in Adobe Reader Download and hit Enter. You should see a list of search results appear. Look for the official Adobe website listing and click on that result. This will ensure that you're getting the software directly from the source, reducing the risk of downloading any unwanted or harmful software. After clicking on the Adobe website, you'll be directed to a page for downloading Adobe Reader. Here, you should look for an option that says More Download Options and click on it. This is important because it will allow us to select the specific version of Adobe Reader that is compatible with Windows 7. Not all download options are set for this operating system by default, so don't skip this step. On the More Download Options page, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Operating System. Click on the down arrow to reveal the list of available operating systems. Scroll through the list until you find Windows 7. Once you see it, simply select it to ensure that you're downloading the correct version. With Windows 7 selected, you're almost ready to begin the download. Look for a button that reads Download Acrobat Reader and click on it. This button will usually be prominently displayed on the page, often in a bright color to make it easy to spot. Clicking this button will start the download process for Adobe Reader tailored to your Windows 7 system. Depending on your internet speed, the download might take a few moments, so patience here is key. After the download has completed, locate the downloaded file on your computer, usually found in the Downloads folder, unless you've specified a different location. Double-click on the file to start the installation process and follow any additional on-screen instructions provided by Adobe. And that's it. You've now successfully downloaded Adobe Reader for Windows 7. With this program, you'll be equipped to handle your PDF files with ease. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below.